Hi, and welcome to Snooki, where we share tips and advice on how to live a more sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle. Today, we're going to talk about sustainable travel and share some tips to help you reduce your environmental impact while exploring the world. First of all, let's talk about transportation. Choose eco-friendly transportation options such as trains, buses, or electric cars. If you're traveling short distances, consider walking or biking instead of driving. This not only helps to reduce your carbon footprint, but it also allows you to experience your destination more intimately. Next up, let's talk about accommodations. Look for eco-friendly hotels or lodges that have implemented sustainable practices, such as using renewable energy, conserving water, and supporting local communities. Many hotels now offer green initiatives such as recycling programs, energy-efficient lighting, and sustainable toiletries. You can also opt for alternative accommodations, such as eco-lodges, hostels, or homestays, which may have a smaller environmental impact than traditional hotels. Now let's talk about plastic waste. Plastic waste is a major environmental issue, and it's especially problematic in tourist areas. To reduce your plastic waste while traveling, bring a reusable water bottle and fill it up at water stations instead of buying bottled water. You can also bring a reusable shopping bag, utensils, and containers to avoid single-use plastics while eating out or shopping. When traveling, supporting local businesses is a great way to reduce your environmental impact and contribute to the local economy. Try to shop at local markets, eat at locally owned restaurants, and stay in accommodations that are owned and operated by locals. This not only supports the local economy, but it also helps you to experience the local culture more authentically. Finally, let's talk about energy use. When you're traveling, it's easy to forget about your energy use, but being mindful of it can make a big difference. Turn off lights and electronics when you're not using them, and adjust the thermostat to conserve energy. Also, consider how you can reduce your energy use when you're out and about, such as by turning off your phone when you're not using it or using a solar-powered charger. That's it for our sustainable travel tips. Remember that every small action counts, and by making sustainable choices, we can all help to protect the planet while enjoying our adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.